Okay, welcome everybody. It's a SIG Node CI meeting. It's September 21st, 2022. We started a little bit later due to technical difficulties, but almost on time. Welcome everybody. On today's agenda, I want to continue doing our triage. We didn't triage all the bugs last time, and we have quite a pile of everything accumulated. So we need to keep doing that. And I also wanted to discuss some dashboards. So when I came back, dashboards doesn't look the same as I remember them. So I just wanted to discuss, like, maybe somebody has some information on what's happened, and maybe we can. I think we need to resurrect this renaming issue. I reopened it, and maybe we can do that. So let's maybe start with this, and then we can go to triage. So first of all, so this release block, and it used to be node conformance and some kubelet tests, but now it's like 122, 123 kube test 2 like tests, and it doesn't feel like. I mean, first of all, we're testing the version of. I mean, if it's version of Kubernetes, which I assume it is, we are not testing the right one because 122 is not is out of support on open source right now. So we may want to extend it to 124 and 125. I'm not sure why it's even here, but I guess it was here all the time. So this is the first thing, and I remember there was a node conformance test here as well, and now they're missing. So maybe this test by itself has node conformance. Yeah. But I mean, it doesn't call node conformance, so it may be hard to understand. So this is the first node I had. Does anybody know anything about this page? No. Okay. Okay, and this page is very small now. So I remember there were like alpha tests, but alpha tests we removed because there were no alpha end-to-end tests. So maybe once we will get them back, we'll have it. And then features, again, tested on 122 and 123. I'm not sure why. This is clearly some kind of degradation happened here. And then like both swap jobs are failing. And I think they're failing for a long time now. And again, there is no like features or like what are the other names? So I remember there were way more tests, and like at least tests on masters were here. I think what happened is many tests got migrated to this tab and this tab, like specifically for container runtime. So this might have happened. I'm not sure. Like I mean, tracking history of these tabs is hard. So this may happen because I see features here. Like you see, I see features here, and it's they are being run in some tabs. We have serial, we have features, unlabeled. It's old orphaned. So it feels that there is something happening. So maybe what happened is many tests from kubelet got migrated to containerd and cryo, which makes it clearer when you want to understand what environment you're running on, but it may not be very very clear from perspective of person just coming to this test grid and trying to understand what the status of kubelet, like, is it green or not? And yeah, and my understanding that this tab is failing for a very long time now. Like I see it here, SIG Node calls, it was failing since 7.18. And I cannot even track the history of being here because it doesn't show that long in the past. Yeah, so and everything like this smaller tabs seems to be quite happy and healthy. Yeah, problem detector was greenish. Anyway, so the smaller ones, okay, smaller ones seems reasonably okay. Anyway, yeah, does anybody have any history? Like, has anything happened intentional during the summer, or is there any intentional changes that was made? If not, I suggest I will start like moving things around a little bit. I will use this task to discuss. So please CC yourself on this task if you want to participate in this renaming. My main idea is I want to clean up release block into, it's the first thing people will look at. So we need to understand who is in control here and like what tests are being presented here. And I want to migrate some of the container D tests to kubelet. So it will be like, when you look at kubelet, you have at least some understanding what's going on, like is it healthy or not? And then specifics will be on container D and cryo. And then like, I'm not sure whether there is a bug for this failure, like this is completely red, but if it's not, I will cut one and see what we can do. I remember having problems understanding like what this test, like who is owning this tab. It feels like there was some other owners beyond SIG Node, but now it's under SIG Node. So I need to double check with cost team if they want to own it, or like what specifics of this tab we need to preserve, and if we shouldn't, we can just remove it. So this is the main idea. Any suggestions? Okay. Yeah, CC yourself on this bug, and I will write it down later. Okay, then. Now I want to go into triage. I removed all the items from here that are not relevant to CI, so we don't waste time here. The only reported bug is here. I think David was filling up this this one, this chart, and he filed a new bug for device plugin. So
I think Francesco and I are CC'd on that one, so we'd be taking a look at that.
Okay. Do you want to get assigned to that, or you just want to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel free to assign it to me.
Thank you. Test, triage, okay. Yes, that's pretty much all. We still have a lot of issues to do. Is any like most of them are assigned? Oh, this bug. This bug was cut for this tab that is failing from since 7.18. Okay, I might not be able to show the Slack. Okay. Does anybody wants to own this and see it through the end, or otherwise I will take it?
I think I can take this. I have some context with cost.
Okay. So what is your
It's Miranda 96.
right?
There we go.
Okay. Yeah, everything else is has a signee. No. Okay. Okay, it's still going on, and I wonder if this person probably disappeared. So this one was performance tab that is still failing. Is it still? Yeah, still failing. Yeah, I remember I fixed one issue, but another issue appeared. And yeah, some need to take a look further. Anyway, serial cry job failing. No, not failing anymore. Okay, cleanup is. We wanted to clean up, and we cleaned up. I think we just removed the whole job. Filter not restartable pods. Okay. Okay, it's just another big overarching issue. I think we can. I suggest we just keep it for now. Yeah, just same. Okay, I think this was. Yeah, I think somebody, Matthias, you wanted to take this. Was there a PR? Oh, yeah, there is already PR.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't test mine, so yeah, I can check Ben's one.
No, I think Ben is for something else. For kind.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I will continue on this one. Yes.
Okay. Why did I open it? Okay, it's assigned to you. Cool. Thank you. This will. Okay, so I mean, at least we reviewed it. Some of them just overarching, like failing test issues. I don't want to assign to anybody, but and few small issues that anybody can take. So yeah, if you're interested, please take them. Anyway, I also wanted to show performance tab that we used to look at, and yeah, so performance is the one I think I want to show. Is you see something happened on maybe a week ago that memory 90th percentile of CPU got down and memory the same way, which is a good thing. Something improved in Kubernetes. I don't think we need to investigate, but I just wanted to show that something happened. Something good happened. I like when something goes down. And runtime doesn't change, so it's clearly some changes in kubelet that helped with that. Yeah, so if anybody wants to look at PRs around this time, like this is timestamp, I like this Linux time 156 whatever. So if somebody wants to look at it, be my guest. But I just want to show that nothing bad happened and everything just get better. I think
It's not a change in Golang. No, maybe not at this time.
it's hard to say. I think Yeah, it doesn't. I mean, it's not unreadable. The dates are unreadable. So I think it's my understanding it's 1 week, but I may have like very bad memory around this.
No, so it should not be it. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. If nothing else, I will switch to bugs triage. Is there any other test related agenda? Okay. Then I'll switch to bugs triage, and this is a separate tab. Last time we did a good job of triaging bugs, and now we only have 13 left. And then maybe review some needs information ones. Okay. Very fresh, 5 hours ago. Right, so Windows. Yeah, I know it's Mark Christination, like, okay, Windows. And then I noticed C Windows. Oh, interesting. Subpass and init container combination. I don't think it's SIG storage or SIG. I would let SIG Windows take a look first. Okay. Mount volume setup failed during restart after forced pod deletion. Okay. So any CRI. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm not sure how much it is. How much it is SIG Node issue. This issue is only storage. Because we need to we feel that it's back and second delete call node. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, that may be the issue. So this person, like, I think this is some of the problem. So it start deleting slowly, but then it somehow expedite deletion. I don't know. I would say it's SIG storage more than SIG Node, just to understand the right sequencing that we need. But we still may want to look at these bugs mentioned here. I would say we need to triage accepted. It seems to be reproducible. Yeah, I think we will accept it, but if somebody interested in this call, please assign yourself. But otherwise, maybe SIG storage can take a look first. Okay, this is not evacuating all pods. Okay, 7 days ago, exactly last meeting. Okay, shut down gracefully.
This is working as designed, I think. Once a pod gets assigned to the node, it won't change unless it's part of like a scheduled job or some other type of workload.
But it should receive this failed signal, right? So it should get into failed state.
It depends. It depends on its shutdown. You can assign this one to me, Sergey. I'll take a look at it.
Mhm. Okay, so Shiming actually looked at it. Is it 122? Or 124?
R. Phillips.
Thank you. Errors out alpha feature. On 24. And it's container D 16. Failed. Failed to create container task. Assumption failed. Okay. Do we have a swap test? So I think we do run swap test. Oops. Oh, they're all failing. Ah, Ubuntu is passing. Yeah, but one of those tests will create a pod. Okay. I'm not sure what information we can ask. We need to understand what this message may mean. CKS it's a name of a pod, I think.
Stupid question, but is it related
Yeah.
to the C group version?
It might be. Mike, are you on a call? Do you remember if we tested swap on C group V1 or C group V2 as well? I remember you've been working on it.
Yeah, I took a look. I worked on this a while.
We didn't change the C group versions there on the test, right?
Yeah, I think we still works on C groups V1. We never made the upgrade because we stopped developing on the feature.
Because I wonder if swap is enabled on cgroup v2. It wasn't initially, I think.
I'm not sure if the workload is like if everything is fully implemented with cgroup v2.
Okay. Yeah, I triage accepted it and see what cgroup versions they will say, but then need to take a look. Let's say priority. Get confusing errors when installing complete component. Yeah, Docker sock. CRI Docker D. Okay. Same person. Yeah, I think it's the same person. Okay, CPU manager question. It's formulated as a question.
I could look into it, but I think at the first glance, I think we can't really do that. That's my initial hunch. If it's directly a pod, maybe if it's a deployment, you can edit the resources. Assign that to me.
Okay.
But even before that, is that a support question which we should close or an actual bug we should an issue. I mean, we should work into.
True. I don't
I'm not
think
going to
it's a
answer the
feature.
question. Yeah. Is it a
But-
feature? It's not a feature.
No, it's not a feature. I think it's
Is
just a question. They're trying to figure out if they can resize the resource requested by the pod when it's a burstable quality of service, if I understand this correctly. And they're not explicitly asking for any feature.
Or fix.
Yeah.
Anyway, I just wanted to raise the question. I don't have an answer myself. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, Swati. So, okay. Can it be documentation issue? I still don't understand what this person wants. CPU exclusiveness and the other containers use a shared pool. Is it support or documentation?
Not sure. I need to look at it.
Thank you.
No worries.
Presentation to the container. Oh yeah, I wanted to reply. I still haven't. And it's feature. Okay. Okay. Pods return data not considered data from ECCD. Yeah, okay. Doesn't show all the pods. But
My
will
gu-
it ever be all? Go ahead.
I was trying to say that my gut feeling is this is a legitimate request. I'm not sure if we can fix per API contract. I literally don't know, but it seems a fair enough issue. I mean, if the Kubernetes is still recovering, it should signal to its own endpoint, okay, I'm still recovering, and that seems a legitimate ask and reasonable proposal to fix it. So it seems we should probably accept this and see if and now we can improve this.
Yeah, but my question would be: is there ever? I mean, consistency. We need to understand what consistency means. Is it like some pods can be scheduled and still haven't showed up? I guess when they got it from API servers, then Kubernetes will return them.
That's true as well. I mean, yeah. Well, send that to me. I will have a look, and I'm interested in this area. I mean, for just thinking aloud, if the API contract of the pods endpoint say this can change, okay, but I need to check. So yeah, send that to me. I will have a look. I'm happy to learn.
Let's keep it as a bug. Okay, I think we discussed it now internally, and David wanted to take a look. Let me accept it. It's about 122. There is some race between node controller and pod, and when pod being terminated, then endpoints not always being removed. Something like that. Pod is directed to the low image files. Problem is equal to understand. Daniel assigned to himself, and okay. I think since Daniel assigned, probably okay to triage accepted. Interesting. Okay, another inconsistency in node controller. I think it's safe to accept. If somebody wants to take a look at node controller, please take it. Okay, how do we look? I didn't move this one. Oh, because it's SIG Windows now. And this is support. Okay, we only have 7 minutes left. If there is any comments on this meeting or anything, please speak up. Otherwise, if nobody has any agenda, I will go to need information and review latest. Okay. think we're getting much better. Like last time, we didn't even went through all the triaged issues. Now we're caught up on triaged. We'll catch up on need information. Hopefully next time it will be all new and hunky-dory. Okay. Some updates. Okay, this is not a bug. Next time it will be easier. This is a bug. Okay, so this is a large volume of these messages. Ryan, you've been looking into that, right?
Yes.
So there is two aspects of it. First aspect is why those things happen in system D at all. I think many customers reporting that. My second question was, how does it affect kubelet? So people claiming that the kubelet itself without logs consuming so much memory that it ooms when this message happens. Did you look at that? Like,
I haven't
do
looked
you
at it.
know? Okay,
Go ahead.
so
I have not looked at this latest comment yet.
okay. So because like, I don't know if somebody looking at the system D side of it, this separate, but my worry is that kubelet memory usage grows when this issue happens, and it doesn't sound good when kubelet crashes when there is some environmental problem.
Yeah, I agree.
Do you know which retry is happening? Like where in code it's happening on kubelet?
I'm not exactly sure. I have to look into it some more. It looks like they might be using OpenShift as well. So I'll see if I can debug it a little bit.
Okay. You're already on this bug. Do you want me to CC you?
Yeah, please.
Phillips. Okay. Let's get some killed after startup profiler. Okay. Okay, let's wait another couple days because it seems that topic started was active 17 days ago. Okay. As a port. Okay, what information they needed? Okay. So maybe DigitalOcean problem. Okay, we are out of time. I suggest we end this meeting here, and maybe next time we will be fully caught up on all the needed information and triage bugs, and we will spend more time on test part of it. Okay, Francesca said he will be back, and meeting will be end. Oh, okay, you're back. Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thanks. Bye-bye.